Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on your Xbox One. Maybe they're sending you a weird message, or maybe they're just messaging you too often. You can press the Xbox button, and then you tab to the right, and then you can go to their specific name if they're on your friends list. So you can find them under here. Maybe it's a recent player. So we can go to play with recent players, and then select their name. And then what we could do is simply go down to report or block on the bottom. Now you can easily just block them and then you won't receive any game invites or messages. Otherwise we can go to report right here. Now here are the different options. You can report for cheating, their player pick, voice communication, unsporting behavior, or quitting early. So you just select this. And then there's additional options like it's spam, it's harassment, etc. So you can do that, or you can go to something else. So let's just choose one of these, and then you can go ahead and write a little comment right here by adding a comment, and then go to submit. Now, if someone is in immediate danger, it says call the local emergency services, do not wait. And then make sure you submit it. Now you might receive people who are sending you like messages under the chat request right here. Now, what you could simply do is just turn off all the notifications so you don't see those. Or you can go up to settings, and then go on down to account, and then go to privacy and online safety, type in your password PIN, then go to Xbox privacy right here, go to view details and customize, and then go to communication multiplayer, and then go to others can communicate with you voice, text, or invite, and just switch this to friends only. And then you won't be receiving messages or game invites from people who are not your friends. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.